When we install solar power plants, most people think about the output of the plant, ignoring quality of structures. Solar mounting structures is one of the most important steps of the entire solution. At Cueball, we are extremely careful in designing robust solar structures. Selection of structure depends upon module type and design, plant size, rooftop conditions, environmental factors like thunderstorms, heavy rainfall, and other extreme conditions. Advantages of choosing right structures are increased efficiency of plant, durability during 25 years of plant life, ease of maintenance, economic benefits to avoid any future repairs. At Cueball, we help you choose the right structures. We provide turnkey solar solutions. Contact us for green future. Go solar with Cueball.